What is that ticket for, officer? Officer, what is the ticket for?
Sure. You see the speed limit, the officer would have told you all of that already.
The officer said something about him see some 77 and some zone. I didn't see the officer even point out not going out there, sir.
That is fine. The court date is on the ticket that can attend the court.
Excellent.
Alright.
Because nothing no go, sir.
Nothing
No go, sir. The man not even step. The man never stay as and hide. Me a look, yes. As stated in the motion of and the board. Which is not submitting myself to the ordinance. So that is All right, everyone. So you would have heard that exchange between myself and the judge in court from this alleged speeding offense. And one of the things I will say to you all as you go forward in this is that you should never, ever, ever submit yourself to the jurisdiction of the court voluntarily. You must challenge the jurisdiction of the court. Let the prosecutor, let them prove that they have jurisdiction over you. Yes? It is very important. If you don't, remember, you can waive your rights, You have the right to object, and you must object in a timely manner. Those of us who are familiar with the court process, if you believe that something is unconstitutional, some action is unconstitutional, if you believe that due process was not followed in the entire all the procedures as it relates to between the beginning right through the entire thing, the ticket, on the face of the ticket, all of those things are not in accordance to the law, you must raise your objections timely. And that is what I have done here. In writing, I was ready, I prepared, I'm in court, and I lay paper on the court. And that's in a preliminary objection. As the judge said, I don't think you heard that in the audio. The judge said in her words that she has never seen anything like this in the parish before, ever. Never seen anything like this. This is the first she's ever seen anyone raise this objection. You want to see me, yeah? Because everybody is just laying down and playing dead and accepting whatever comes their way. Remember, when your rights are breached, the cash reward is starting as far as the current ruling in that matter that affect that about due process, breach of due process. That very, I'm going to call it a minor breach of the constitutional rights. That breach gave rise to $250,000 plus attorney costs, yes, to the person for breach of the constitutional rights. Just that. So it is worth your time if you believe that your rights are being infringed on by the state unlawfully, that you challenge these matters. Again, viewers and subscribers, never submit voluntarily to the jurisdiction of the court. You must challenge the court's jurisdiction. You must raise your objections timely. Raise them. Now, when you raise objections, let the judge say things like, I have jurisdiction, when you know they don't have it. Or if they understand fully, because when they see these things, the judge might just say, you know what, I don't have jurisdiction. And that's accepted. But if they decide to push forward and say, oh, well, I have jurisdiction, and I'm assuming jurisdiction over this matter, then one of the things you can do is you win already when you go to the appeal process. And remember, a win is a win. When you're doing boxing, a boxer don't matter whether the man get a TKO or if the man does the type of lay down and flat ground, or whichever way him win. At the end of the day, the objective of the game is to win. Yes? The system is trying to beat you, and the objective is for you to win. Because when you challenge this, when you spend your time challenging this, you can also claim for special damages. So all of the money that you would have spent having to go to court back and forth and so on and so forth, you can claim them back. Yes? So there's no lose-lose here. It's a win-win for you. You might have to spend money in the initial phase from your own pocket, but eventually you can claim it back. The court is a fun place. The law is there. You have your rights. It's up to you, viewers and subscribers, to use your rights. As I go through this process, and I challenge the constitutionality, and I challenge the tickets on its face, because I will, if I am to spend the time to point out all the things to you, you know, if you read the objection, you will see it. You'll see some of the things. But yes, I would update you as we go along. But I'm here to educate. I'm here to let us know the process, know that we're to defend our rights. We should not lay down and let our rights be taken away from us. It's your right, but remember, it's also your right to let your right be taken away from you. It's up to you. Until next time.